All right, in this video, we're going to go ahead and create this section and a call to action underneath it. So for the trust logos, if we refer back here, they want LinkedIn, Quora, Instagram, Reddit, and Twitter. So whenever you need to have logos of brands, there are plugins made for this specifically here within Figma. You can use Iconify even to search for those specifically. You do want to make sure that whenever you feature logos, that are based on people who use the business or whatever like that, something like that, then that they're designed consistently in the same manner. So we're just going to use the logos themselves that are just white. They're all going to be white, so it contrasts well with our dark background. So let's go to our desktop design, and we're going to, let's just use this for our type, and we're going to center it, and we're going to say proudly used by. Notice how I kind of use the guides to have equal white space from here to here based on that. Proudly used by, and then we'll go ahead and have our icons. I already went through the process of searching for each one of these. I'm just going to go ahead and paste those in from a project off the screen. We're going to group them and center them. So again, you could use Iconify to search for these product logos, but there are actual extensions that I know of that I haven't installed yet that will let you search for brand icons and stuff like that. So you have a lot of options. So the way I'm choosing to do this is just very similar to the wireframe style right here. These are indicative of the logos, and we have the 5 logos right here in this section. So now let's get that primary call to action, and all we have to do really is just copy this. And again, we have to make sure that this is centered up. There we go. And we can also, just to get over the monotony of the standard solid background color here and kind of work in this idea, we can copy that and we'll paste it. And again, we want to make sure that this is actually not in our frame. Send it back. There we go. And then we could double click it and just give it a different view so it's not the same exact section up there. So now it's unique in a sense. All right. We are really coming along. This is starting to look really good. If we click play so far, we can see our prototype in action and scroll down with our mouse scroll wheel. As it gets larger, of course, it takes a little bit longer to load. This is all looking good. Buttons are responsive. Come down here. We don't have any type of prototyping or interaction occurring here, but as you can see, it all looks solid and cohesive. So in the next section, we're going to focus on, based on our wireframe, our footer section.